Now, what I'd like to do now is to move directly from Africa itself and begin to examine the African presence around the world.
The Kalahari Desert, Namibia. I'm here to find an extraordinary ancient tribe of people, the San Bushmen. Our research shows that their distant relatives left Africa and set in motion the family tree of mankind. From them stemmed every color, creed, and nationality alive today. Everything predicted in their blood seems to be written in their faces. It's like looking at a composite model of every face from around the world. The eye shape of East Asians, the high cheekbones of Mongolians, the mid-brown skin that could turn darker or lighter.
So the San, also called Bushmen, and these are very ancient people whose history in southern Africa is perhaps 40,000 years old or more, probably older than that. I would suspect more like 100,000 years. And now 10 or 15 years ago, showing this image, I would have said that that they look like East Asians, like Chinese, like Koreans, etc. But now I would say that East Asians look like them. And there's a good reason for that, because these folk like this are the original people of Africa and Asia, or at least very ancient people. And then we see something very similar with this San woman right here. And this is interesting because it shows that not all black people are dark. Some black people are naturally light-skinned. It has nothing to do with racial intermingling. Again, we're talking about the original man, the original woman, original humanity, black coming out of Africa.
The Nile River, which we came down, flows from south to north. See, we came down the river. They came up the river. So when we came down in this direction, we looked at this as the bottom. This is the bottom. And see, a lot of the ancient fossils is in the Central East region of Africa, but they left this region and went south before they came down north. You'll find a lot of ancient artifacts in South Africa. So they went south before they came north. And so all these civilizations down here, even India, they got enough nerves to act like they as ancient as Africa. That's a damn lie. That's a damn lie. And we can prove it by any, they ain't got no artifacts in India, even 500,000 years old. 300,000-400,000. They talking about them people got over there about 50,000. We don't really know. We don't really know, but it's not in comparison at all to what was going on in Africa. And so this is the true view in which you should look at the world. These peoples is at the bottom, and you on the top. And we know that Africa is on top anyway, because this is the hottest region on the planet, which means it has to be directly above the sun. So it got to be at the top. Those continents that are cold are away from the sun. They on the side or the bottom. That's just common sense. Okay? Now looking at this viewpoint, you're going to see that a lot of our people came, even before they got down to Egypt. They was coming across this ocean, and this is not the Indian Ocean. Okay? You can put whatever damn name in there off of Africa that you want. How the hell the Indian gonna have an ocean? And he stole that land from the nappy-head Buddha. And I'm gonna show you that. You see what I'm saying? And so all of these, see, this is the end of the story. When you start seeing India, Iran, Pakistan, China, you see, this is the end of the story.
Now, this is the first world right here. This is the first world, okay? This is the reason you think it's upside down, but it's not. It's top side up. See, because our people came down the river, okay? We came down the river. So Europe and all Upper Asia is on the bottom to our people. That's why when you read Egyptian history,